At MDHS, we care about helping you around the clock, not just during our county office hours. Access Mississippi puts everything you need for applying for SNAP or TANF benefits and managing your account right at your fingertips. Use your smartphone, computer, or tablet to connect with us at any time. In this video, we will show you how to use your Access Mississippi account to check your SNAP application status, view your SNAP notices, and review documents that have been uploaded to your SNAP case. You can visit Access Mississippi by going to www.access.ms.gov. We will be showing you everything from the mobile version of the Access Mississippi site. Some things may look different if you visit using a laptop or tablet. First, let's log in. Click the blue Apply Now/Login button and enter your login information. You must have created a login and authenticated your account to view the dashboard. We will use this example account as our SNAP client today. This takes you to the dashboard. You'll see your name here at the top of the screen. Then you'll see buttons for Home, My Benefits, Report Changes, Inbox, and Appeals. Let's look at the My Benefits tab. If you scroll down, you can see details about any Medicaid, SNAP, TANF, or Community Services benefits that you have. This SNAP tab is where you can check the application status of your SNAP case. Scroll down and click the plus sign next to the Benefit Details 1 box. In this box, you can see your SNAP case ID number, the status of your SNAP case, the date your application was approved, when your recertification application is due, and the amount of SNAP benefits that have been approved. In this example, this SNAP case is open, and Mr. Lake is receiving $291 per month in SNAP benefits. Next, let's scroll back to the top and click the Inbox button to review notices and documents. Scrolling down from here, under the Notifications tab, you can search for notices based on program, subject, and date. Then, at the bottom, you can see the notices that your caseworker has sent about your case. You can click on the plus sign next to any of the notices listed here for more information, including to view the full notice. Let's click the plus sign next to the SNAP approval notice in this example. Now you can see more details about this notice. If you click View Notice, this opens the full notice where you can review the information your caseworker sent. You can also download and save your notice from here. Next, let's go back to the previous page and scroll up to the My Documents tab. Once your caseworker has reviewed the documents that you have submitted online and placed them in your case, you will find them here. Any documents you submit for your case through the Document Upload feature on the MDHS website or through Access Mississippi will be shown on this tab. However, documents you provide directly to your county office, like documents submitted by mail, fax, or in person, will not be shown here. If you have submitted documents online and they are not shown here, your caseworker may not have reviewed them yet. Please give your caseworker at least 72 business hours to process your documents before following up. You can search for documents by name, document category, document type, program name, case ID, or sent date. In this example, we've submitted several documents. We know that the caseworker has received these documents because they appear in the My Documents tab. Under View Document History, let's click the plus sign next to the document named Application to view more details. To see a copy of the document you submitted, you can click the blue View button at the bottom. Thanks for watching this video. We have shown you how to use your Access Mississippi account to check your SNAP application status, view your SNAP notices, and review documents that have been uploaded to your SNAP case. For more videos about how to use your Access Mississippi account and other helpful tips, visit the MDHS YouTube channel.